actors in the criminal justice, which we call the chain, should all pull towards the same end. We all want justice for the person we call Wanjiku. The e-filing system is a homegrown solution that has been developed by the Judiciary Technical Team. The system provides for the court users to submit court documents electronically through an online portal. We also have a case tracking system for all the courts, which have been internally developed and was piloted also at Milimani Commercial and Tax Division of the High Court. The system brought positive transformation at the court registries with facilities that enable us also to gauge our performances.
At the ODPP, the adoption of technology through the development and implementation of the Uadilifu case management system has been a paradigm shift in exercising our mandate. Uadilifu has incorporated mobile technology, which has transformed our service delivery by providing remote access to the system, thus guaranteeing portability of work and bolstering efficiency and effectiveness in our processes. Uadilifu has further facilitated cooperation and collaboration with other criminal justice actors. Indeed, it is currently integrated with the judiciary's e-filing system, which has allowed prosecutors to file court documents directly to the judiciary, thereby enhancing efficiency. We hope that the automation can be extended to other investigative agencies and prison services in the near future.
All of us must appreciate the extent to which our roles contribute to the order, predictability, and justice in the society. And therefore, a call must be made to each one of us to reflect on how to build a criminal case management system that ensures not only equal access to justice for everyone, but a system which is effective, efficient, predictable, and accessible. Our e-filing and case tracking system, developed with the support of IDLO, GIZ, and GPIP, is a module of the ICMS. The solution provides for filing of cases and management of a case until conclusion. The system manages both criminal and civil cases, but requires continuous improvement to fully automate the court processes, especially in court procedures. And that's why I think this conversation must continue. The court's interface also allows judicial officers to have access to court documents and make rulings electronically through the portal or email. The use of video and audio conferencing through virtual platforms such as Teams, Zoom, and Skype has also been integrated in the system, and I think this is one of the biggest achievements since COVID. We therefore, as agencies within the NCAJ, require collaboration to ensure that technologies deployed can be harmonized to facilitate proceedings and electronic filing.
Since 2018, in partnership with the Government of Kenya, the EU, UNDP, and civil society, we at UNODC have been helping plead to improve the delivery of justice, the settlement of disputes, and the use of alternatives to imprisonment. Plead has been at the forefront of supporting criminal justice actors in adopting technology which has proven vital to the administration of justice. Through e-justice, virtual hearings and e-filing was instrumental in ensuring that the judiciary continued to offer services at the peak of the pandemic. This contributed significantly to reducing case backlogs. There are often suspicions that digitisation leads to greater aggregation of data and risks of human rights violations, but I challenge that. If it's done properly, it actually aids the proportionate, lawful, accountable, and necessary delivery of national and international criminal justice.
Courts are service providers whose customers, the public, should be satisfied. Satisfying the public requires consistent judicial reform, which must be undertaken in ways that are responsible and responsive to the expectations and needs of the public. ICT can play an important role in the delivery of timely, accessible, and accountable justice. However, we must be actively involved for this success to materialize. We must have a clear vision.
One of the EU's priorities nowadays is to become a world leader in digitalization. Digitalization is not only helping societies, businesses, and national administrations to modernize and become more effective. it's also an important ingredient in making our systems more transparent and accountable, and above all, to increase public access. Congratulations, dear Chief Justice, Martha Koome, and all the collaborators. You're doing a great job, and we are confident that you go to new strategic heights in the justice sector reform.
We are now looking into the future, and I should point out that the digitization agenda will continue to be a central focus in the judicial process and administration of justice in Kenya and within the NCAJ family, where we have to harness and leverage on technology in the delivery of justice.
Automation is about bringing all the actors in the justice sector in one